Hi everyone! Today, we are going to show you how to draw a cherry picker, step by step. Grab a pencil and paper, and let's get started. Step 1. Drawing the cherry picker head. Start from the bottom left corner with a rectangle. Now, add a vertical line and a curved line. Make sure you round the corners. Step 2. Drawing the cabin window. The cabin's already taking shape. Time to pop in a quarter circle up top. Add rounded corners again. Step 3. Drawing the cargo bed. Let's add some cargo space for our cherry picker. Draw an elongated rectangle right behind the cabin. Before we continue, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Details about our products and services are in the description below. Step 4. Drawing the wheels. Draw tiny circles at the bottom of the cabin for the front wheels and behind the cargo bed for the rear ones. Step 5. Drawing the base of the bucket lift. Draw a tiny horizontal rectangle in the middle of the cargo bed. Stack another taller rectangle on top. This is the base. Step 6. Drawing the arm. Draw a circle over the truck, then 2 parallel lines for the lower arm, 2 more for the upper arm. Connect them at the top. Step 7. Drawing the bucket. Draw a square for the bucket, add some safety rails, and connect it to the arm with parallel lines. Step 8. Drawing the lights. Oval headlights for the front, a rectangular rear light for safety. Step 9. Adding a background. Draw a rectangular road, sprinkle in some markings. You can even add bushes, electric poles, and trees. Just don't cover up the cherry picker. Step 10. Coloring your drawing. Use different colors to draw the high up and make the background look realistic by make the sky blue and the road gray. We hope you enjoyed learning how to draw cherry picker. The more you practice drawing, the better you'll get. And don't forget to check out the video description for more on our art tutorials and services. And let us know if you have any other vehicle requests. Thanks for watching.